Good morning, my friends. So millions of Americans, including senior citizens, will be receiving a big relief check. This is thanks to the new changes that the Social Security Administration has just made. More relief money is being allocated to help Social Security recipients. Friends, remember that I'm here every day as your daily advocate, bringing you up to date on all of the breaking news in Congress that you need to know regarding the fourth stimulus checks and Social Security benefits. Please know that I want to help everyone in this community, especially during these tough times. Also, if you would like to enter this coming Friday's Walmart gift card giveaway, please, friends, stay tuned until the end of this video.
On putting that together and getting it through the Senate with 50 votes, is State of the Union more or less the soft deadline, or is this something that may well extend beyond that?
We haven't set a deadline. I think what our objective is and what the president's objective is to move forward on an effort in Congress and the Senate to lower costs for the American people, do that without raising the deficit, pay for it, make sure we're easing the burden that families have across the country. We need 50 votes to do that.
For saying that, they should get credit for something that they opposed, or is he going to let that slide?
Well, I would say we welcome a number of Republicans who voted against the infrastructure bill coming around to recognize the impact on their communities. We've seen this playbook before, so perhaps it shouldn't come as a surprise. And I don't think I can stand up here and rule out what the president is or isn't going to call out moving forward. Go ahead.
Retirees will receive Social Security payments worth up to $1,657 on average this year, as the amount increased in line with a 5.9% cost of living adjustment. The benefits increased by $92 from $1,565, and seniors can start claiming the cash between the ages of 62 and 70. Those between the ages of 66 to 67 could receive up to $3,345 per month. But the good news, friends, is that some seniors could receive the maximum Social Security amount of $4,194 if they meet certain criteria. Retirees must wait until the age of 70 before claiming the benefit, and they must have worked in Social Security approved jobs for at least 35 years. According to multiple news sources, if you work fewer years, the zeros that you accumulate will affect the amount that you may receive. Beneficiaries must have also earned the Social Security taxable minimum to be in line for the maximum benefit. In 2022, the wage cap is $147,000, which is up from $142,800 in 2021. This is an increase of $4,200. In 2017, the Social Security wage cap was $127,200. To receive the maximum benefit, seniors must have been a high earner throughout their time in employment. Recipients of supplemental security income just have to wait days for their next payment, which is due to be sent out on March 1st. More than 8 million people across our country receive supplemental security income. And according to the Social Security Administration Office, this year, the maximum amount for individuals has increased to $841 from $794. So the benefit stands at $1,261 for a married couple if both spouses are eligible for SSI. Americans can receive both SSI and Social Security benefits. If this applies to you, you will receive your next Social Security payment on March 3rd. Benefits will also be sent out on that day for Americans who have received Social Security before May 1997. However, the Social Security Administration has said that Americans need to be aware of the Social Security rules that could potentially catch them off guard. For example, if your current spouse does not qualify for their own benefits, they can claim benefits based on your earnings. An ex-spouse can also claim benefits based on your earnings. To qualify in your record, your ex-spouse must have been married to you for at least 10 years. They must be at least 60 years of age and unmarried. So if an ex-spouse is eligible for retirement benefits on their own, SSA will pay that amount first. Americans have also been warned by the Social Security Administration that if they decide to work while still collecting retirement benefits, their Social Security payments will be reduced or stopped altogether. Friends, this is very important information to remember if you are claiming Social Security benefits. But if you have any further questions on Social Security, please feel free to comment in the section below. Friends, the keyword for this video is chicken soup. If you would like to enter this coming Friday's Walmart gift card giveaway, please click and like my videos. Comment below this keyword and additional keywords from any video of mine that you watch. And please do verify that you are subscribed to my channel. Thank you so much, friends. 3 in 4 Americans receive an annual tax refund from the Internal Revenue Service, which is often a family's biggest check of the year. But with this tax season now in progress, taxpayers could see a repeat of last year's snarls in processing, with more than 30 million taxpayers that had their returns and refunds held up by the IRS. So friends, I know that many of you are asking, when can you expect your tax refund? Well, the Treasury Department officials warned in January that this year's tax season will be a challenge, with the IRS starting to process returns on January 24th. That's largely due to the IRS's sizable backlog of returns from 2021. And as of December 31st, the agency had 6 million unprocessed individual returns, which is a significant reduction from a backlog of 30 million in May of 2021. But that is far higher than the 1 million unprocessed returns that is more typical around the start of tax season. Well, my good friends, that is the end of my daily stimulus update video for this morning. Thank you so very much for everyone who is here with me today. I greatly appreciate all of you watching my videos. Please remember that I give away Walmart gift cards every Friday. And if you would like to join the giveaway, please, all you need to do to enter is click and like my videos, comment below the keyword from each video that you watch, and please do make sure that you are subscribed to my channel. Thank you so much, friends, and have a wonderful and blessed Thursday.